I am Dr.A.Sethupathy, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering. Today we will go to see the topic of power plant engineering, specifically diesel power plant. So what you seeing here, this is a diesel engine. So introduction. So the energy of the thermal power plants are converted into chemical energy, thermal energy, and mechanical energy, electrical energy. And the fuels used are diesel, IC engine combustion chamber, and IC engine crankshaft and generators. So this is the layout of the diesel power plant. So you can see the fuel storage area with pump, with filter. The fuel is transferred into day tank, and the air filter is connected in the fuel injection chamber, and the diesel and air mixer is transferred into the engine inside the cylinder. So that will be working in the cylinder. The cylinder is connected, the engine is connected with the generator. So the engine will rotate, the generator also rotate. So the power will be produced from the generator. So the engine will be getting high thermal conductivity. So the water is circulated around the cylinder block for cooling purpose. So you can see the jackets of water and water pump circulation. Then oil cooling tower that will be provided in the connected with the engine chamber, and also the lubrication oil pump and lubrication tank also connected with the engine chamber. So the lubrication is used to inside the piston and connecting rod. So those the parts are making the friction areas. The lubrication will be provided in that areas. So after that, the heat energy, the excess heat energy is exhausted and converted into cooling tower, and the exhaust vapors and steams are uh, reproduced water and stored by the water tank. So the power plant using this diesel power plant, the water is heated by the steam, and the power is used to produce the power plants. So this is the basic layout of the power plant. So this shows the separate areas and how many zones are converted in this diesel power plants. So what are the equipment used in this diesel power plant? The mechanical equipment and electrical control equipment. So mechanical equipment, fuel supply system, air intake system, exhaust system, cooling system, then lubrication system, drive mover. The same like electrical alternator, transformers, and control room. So how can the fuel will be supplied into the diesel engine? This layout shows clearly. It consists of storage tanks, strainers, fuel transfer pump, all-day fuel tank, filters, and fuel injection pumps. Then air intake and exhaust system. The supplies necessary air to the engine for fuel combustion. It consists of pipes and filters. So the air will be intake from the atmosphere and supply into the engine. The fuel also supply into the engine. This will be mixing with the chamber and getting the engine fired. Then the engine will be rotate. So same like the engine is connected with the generator. When the engine rotates, the generator also rotates. So the power will be produced. So the layout shows the clear established schematic diagram of the cooling system of this engine. So this is the lubrication systems where it is used in the lubricants in the diesel engines. So this is engine start system. So arrangement of to rotate the engine initially while starting until firing starts and until runs with its So what are the advantages and disadvantages? So advantages, both design and layout are quite simple, occupies less space and located at any place, started quickly, no standby losses, requires less quantity of water for cooling, low cost compared to SPP, higher efficiency. The disadvantages, high running cost, not suitable for overload, small power output, high lubrication cost, and high maintenance. Thank you.